sukang maasim. Nasa Pinas na ba, oh?
Cordobia is the best.
Cordobia is the best. You have Filipino food?
Filipino food here.
Yeah. May Argentina corned beef din. Tilmote spaghetti sauce. May boy bawang din, oh. Boy, para na ako nasa Pilipinas.
We are at Saman Tattoo Studio,
Yeah.
one of the most top-rated tattoo studios in Greece. You are all welcome. We're gonna make a nose piercing for my brother here.
Yeah.
He is 100% ready. It's going to be super fast. Let's go, brother.
Let's go.
He is going to cry a bit, but it's normal. Are you ready? Okay. So, find out now. I will give him a. How fast was that, brother?
Super fast, bro.
Super.
I'm crying, bro.
Thanks for trusting me, brother. Thank you.
Hi, guys! The moment of truth. Ito na yung Pancit Canton, no? Wow! Parang nasa Pinas lang. Alam nyo, mga pre, kung magkano to? 100 na isang Pancit Canton dito. Import daw kasi. Tikman natin kung lasang Pinas ba talaga to. Lasang Pinas! Ang sarap, mami! Na-feel ko na nasa Pilipinas lang ako. Subukan ko yung asawa ko. Nga. Dahil kumakain ako ng Pancit Canton, yung anak ko naman naiinggit. Inggit yarn! Inggit ka sa Pancit Canton? Am-am ka, am-am? Oh, galit. Tumataas pa kilay, ah. Pakainin mo daw siya Pancit Canton. Subo. Am-am. Nahulog.